Hello friends, my name is Siddharth Sinha and I welcome you video number 23 of Free Bank PO Clerk Coaching.com. And today topic of study will be on analytical reasoning. This topic is very important because 5 to 7 questions is being asking in the current trend, that is in IBPS questions, or if you take SBI, it is a very important one. This question has got one special feature that it is quite long question. If you start reading this question, it would consume 5 minutes of time. But once you read that question and you are able to plot that table in your mind, or not in your mind, table in your question paper, then you could easily solve 5-7 questions within a fraction of minute. That is hardly 20 seconds, 30 seconds after doing that question. So it is 5 to 7 questions is being asked right now. So writing down the question, please write with me, as space would not be enough to write some questions on it. So we have to drop that question. So please write with me. Okay. This is an example. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Not M, G. E, F, G, H. E, F, G and H are 8 students of a school they study in standard 6th, 7th and 8th, not more than 3. It's not in a group of more than 3, not more than 3 in any standard. Each of them has a favorite subject. From physics, chemistry, English, Marathi, mathematics, biology, and economics. Not necessarily in the same order. In the same order. D likes chemistry and studies in standard 8 with only H. B does not study in standard 7. E and A study in the same standard. But not with B. But not with B. C and F study in the same standard. those who study in standard 6 does not like does not notice do not those who study in standard 6 do not like mathematics and biology. F likes physics. The one who studies in standard 8 likes English. C does not like geography. A's favorite subject is Marathi. And G does not like biology. So this is the question length. You see, if you start reading it, you will consume 5 minutes of time. Definitely, that is that sure. But once you study this question and able to make the table, then you could easily save your 5 minutes that you invested in studying these questions, because somewhere you have to spend time. This is a section where you are required to spend time in studying the question, and while solving the question, it will take hardly a minute time, and 5 to 7 questions would be asked in every single minute. So it is given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are 8 students in a school. They study in standard 6, 7th and 8, not more than 3 in any standard. Means there is a maximum group of 3 for 6, 7th and 8. Okay. So if there is 8 students, so there will be a group of 3 students studying in 2 standards. 3 group of students in 2 standards. In one standard there will be 2 students. Okay. Each of them has a favorite subject. Okay, this and this. Now we will start from reading from here. D likes. So we will make one thing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We will write these student names. Okay. Now we will start writing. D likes chemistry. Okay. CHEM only. No need to write full name. Studies in standard 8 with only. This is the one thing. With only means this is the another person known as H with whom D studies. Okay. And B does not study in standard 7. So B does not studies in standard 7. Group of 2 students studies in standard 8, which is full, because standard 8 only 2 students could be is studying. That is written with D, and H is studying in standard 8. So of course B will be 6th. It is mentioned that B doesn't study in standard 7, so it means automatically that B studies in standard 6. E and A study in the same standard, so we will mark like this. Star, that means same standard. Just for time being, but not with B. Once again, but not with B, it is written. That means definitely they are not studying with the B, so it will be which is standard 7th. Okay, you got my point. Now C and F study in the same standard. C and F. Once again mark it. Those who study in standard 6 does not like mathematics and biology. We will write like this: 6 does not like mathematics and biology. F likes physics. Then it is written, the one who studies in standard 8 like English. This is H. It is meant for H only, because H is studying in standard 8 only. Likes English. C does not like geography. Okay, C does not like geography. Write it crossway. A's favorite subject is Marathi. Then G does not like geography. G does not like biology. Cross it. Now I have to fill the all other standards. See, 7th is twice. Now only one standard 7th place is vacant, which could be written here. Both are star, so both are the same standard, and 6 is only one student studying, so it would be standard 6. No doubt. See, so we fill this standard class is over right now. Now what we are required to do? We require to fill the subjects. Now coming to 6th, Marathi and biology is not studied by them. 6th is here and here, as well as not studied. So we'll put okay, that means 7th class will, and here is biology also. So just a moment. Now we have to think how could be it filled. So what we'll do, geography is not studied, but 6th class could study geography. No, make it here, no problem in it, and just check any other subject is over there. Geography will come here, and here will come economics. Why economics will come here and geography? Because it is saying C is not studying geography. That means B will be studying geography, and C will automatically come economics. And here biology. Biology will come here for E, and for here it will come maths. Okay, I hope you got the solution. If you are knowing this table, then you could easily solve the entire question. Now we write the question. I don't think you will be confused while writing the tables, and I hope you have understood this table how I have written, and I think that it will be easy for you right now to understand, because something demonstration means entirely different thing. You are having the notes in your means if you are having your guide of bank fee or something, it could help, but something demonstration makes entirely thing different. So I demonstrated you how the table is made. Now what I will do, I will start giving you the questions. So question is like this: which subject does H like? Option is English. Option 2 is Marathi. Option 3 is science. 4th is data inadequate. 5th one is none of these. So which subject H like? H for English. This one. See how is it? Just see the table and give the answer. What is J's favorite subject? economics, biology, English, no, economics not, sorry. Okay, this is not G, this is C. Economics, biology, English, geography, then data and educate. So C's favorite is economics. First one. Then what is G's favorite? What is G's favorite? Subject. Option is biology, physics. Don't get confused with geo, eco. That I have written short form. Okay, for geography, economics, chemistry, like that. Chem for chemistry, like that I have written in a short form. Marathi. Then fourth option, geography, non-data inadequate. Inadequate. Fifth option, none of this. G's favorite subject. G is favorite maths. Nowhere maths, so none of these. Fourth option, which of the following combinations of students standard subject is correct? C7, okay, economics. Second option is given. D6, chemistry. Then third is given G8, 7, sorry, physics. Fourth is given B8, mathematics. Fifth is none is correct. So just see the C, 7th, no, 6th it is. Then second option D, 6th, D, 6th, no. Then third G7th, yeah, but maths, not physics. B8, yeah, B8, no. So none is correct. Now fifth question, which of the following group of students study in 7th standard? Option is EFF, second is EGC, third is EAG, fourth is data inadequate. Fifth is none of these. So we have to find a study group of students who is studying in standard 7th. A E G, AEG, AEF, no, AEG. Okay, this one is correct. See how easy it is. So by this all the questions are over. So now it is very easy to understand the question and you could easily solve it once you are knowing the pattern, how to form the table, and if you are able to solve this type of questions, you could easily save a lot of times, as you are knowing that in reasoning time is consumed. But if you are okay in this section, question length is quite a bigger one, but see how easy the question was. It if you are knowing this table, you could easily solve it. And this question has been asked in Bank of Baroda PO 2010 batch. So I thought that this question would help us a lot. And by finishing this question, I will like to end my video here. And please do all the assignments very carefully, very sincerely if you want to score 75% of marks. Thank you. Thanks a lot.